Hi, I'm Jimmy and I work for Ronseal. Me and my colleagues at Ronseal have created loads of content to help you get the DIY done as quickly and as painlessly as possible. So we're going to prove to you that it does exactly what it says on the tin. In this video, we're going to talk to you about how to protect your decking end grain. The decking end grain is a section at the end of the board where it's been cut, leaving the internal wood grain exposed. This leaves the perfect opportunity for water to enter the board, which over time can cause rot and decay. Just give the tin a thorough stir, get loads of protector on your brush and coat the deck ends. If you get any on top of the boards, just wipe it off with a cloth and leave it for 4 hours max before applying the second coat. It doesn't matter what your plans are for the rest of the deck, whether you want to oil, stain or paint it, because once you've applied Ronseal's decking end grain protector, then you can oil, stain or paint over that. And once you've finished the job, the clean-up's very simple. Just wash your brushes in warm soapy water and you're done. Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin.